I guess we could get started.
So I'm Yuri. I work for music industry for around 10 years already. I mainly do composition and some music production.
Have you tried this recent AI music tool called Suno?
Yes, I tried.
So we'd love to hear more insights. I guess for now we can just go to Suno, play some of the songs. So we have a lot of songs here.
Maybe the first ones.
Right? What do you think?
I feel it's nice. I would say the beat is great.
An immortal soul we have already given it to another party or sea. Do not wish to grant us such a license. Please click the link below to nullify this subclause and proceed with your transaction.
Yeah, it sounds nice, but the voice part is kind of robotic sound. Generally speaking, it's nice.
For those who are not familiar yet, you can input the song description, so some prompts and lyrics, and then you just hit create. And here are the songs that I already tried out. So yeah, this one I only wrote the prompt, a emotional grim song about dancing all night long.
Yo, we step in the club, the energy rise. Fiery beats, but the speed is on the rise. Sweat dripping down, we moving side to side. Tingling sound, we can't be denied.
Whoa, is that a hip hop song?
Hip hop, yeah. It's just my impression, but I feel like the reverbs are usually really big. And then for the instrumental part, for the music produced by humans, I could hear each note very clearly, but like for a lot of the AI created songs, I just don't get that feel.
It's also related to the mixing part, as you mentioned, for piano or for other instruments like drum, guitar. We really separate them, like to bring each instrument in a certain place. But for this one, I feel it's good, but it's all together. So
Let's hear another song.
Стали и кружки, книжки спят. Одеяло и подушки ждут ребят. Даже сказка спать ложится, чтобы ночью нам присниться. Ты ей пожелай, баю-бай. В сказке можно покататься на луне.
That's an interesting piece.
yeah,
Like it?
yeah, I think it's fine.
Yeah, I mean, I don't understand a single word, apparently.
Me neither. Intro is very interesting. You also mentioned it's kind of like little, I would say, creepy or in thrill movie have this kind of background music.
I can play it again. I kind of like how they mixed that sound in the middle. So we just complained, but like in the middle, like when you hear it, you can actually recognize this sound in the middle as a separate layer. And it's actually better than I thought. The quality was good.
Yeah, this is an interesting song, a hip hop song, I feel. Although in the description you can see it's aggressive, funk, muffled, and sample. For the intro and the high pitch sound, that's sampled definitely, which is quite good to relate to this description.
Okay, finally, another English song, I guess.
Briar hollow shadows lie where children's laughter used to sigh. An ancient curse, a hunger. Oh, no God can hold this age-old foe. A memory stirs a wolf's cold gaze, a child's terror by east alone. A father's grief is sharper golden blade of fire. This mother fell, his sister fled, the waves of blood upon the briar wolf rose, a monstrous form, fangs bared within.
Yeah, I can feel there's some structural design because we have really loud sounds in the middle, and then it kind of goes down by this point.
Yeah.
Crimson paw, the grim
The whole structure is very good actually. So we can know which part is of like more energy here and more power here, and which part we want to go soft.
I remember that some people complain about music structure.
So one time I tried, I also used these marks regarding to like verse, chorus, but sometimes if verse is too short, Suno will take the first line of the chorus as another part of verse and then go to the real chorus part. I can also
But we can
show,
also just try one for now.
yeah, why not?
Okay, song description. I think I still have 2 credits. Oh, never mind. I have thing refreshes every day. Okay, cool. Maybe like a pure instrumental one because all the songs that we listen were vocal.
Maybe just some soft, chill songs, relaxing.
Female voice. Okay. While this is generating, maybe we can talk about other stuffs. So these days, there's a hot discussion of whether AI will replace artists. I've seen a lot of discussions on AI drawing 2D images. How do you think AI will impact music space?
It's definitely a great tool for me to explore different genres. So I feel this is a great tool. Everybody can try to get their own music. For me, it's more like a tool to explore different genres. Or if I want to like quickly generate some idea, then yeah, definitely it will help me get a project done like faster.
Yeah, I think you brought up a lot of good points. You use it as brainstorming, a source of inspiration rather than just use it directly in your work, right?
Yes.
Ooh, I'm also just curious, like how much would you pay for it? Say in the future, it doesn't give us a free credit.
It have like $8 per month. If I really want to use it, I'll go with it. If in the future it has more functions to like change the keys or instruments, I want to pay more, definitely.
Both of us feel that instruments were kind of just smashed together. I'm not sure if Suno actually divides the music into different tracks. I mean, if we do, then it's definitely going to be easier to edit the music after the generation.
Mhm.
Do you think in the future they will allow us to divide it into different tracks?
It could be, but it depends. Musicians want to do some creative thing. So here, AI will just be a tool. But for everybody else, if I just want to create a song, then Suno definitely a go-to tool for me.
Will you be angry or upset if one day you find out that these AI tools are actually using your music as a source of training?
Just like AI image or AI videos, we have to think about copyrights. So if we just use AI and nobody create new things, or if they could pay to those artists, that will definitely make a life-changing for a lot of musicians out.
For sure.
Yeah.
And also you mentioned creativity. I used to think that maybe AI doesn't have creativity, but this new wave of Gen AI, it really surprised me. Is AI able to compose something really what we consider creative?
Right now, as what I use Suno recently, it definitely give me some ideas. My first impression is always, wow, this sounds nice. But when I really listen this whole song, I can tell the drum beat or maybe a violin part, every part is actually repetitive. No variations, no other changes.
Repetitive, I see.
Yeah.
So right now, it doesn't seem to be that creative.
Yeah, but in the future, maybe. Yeah, we will see.
Cool, I think the generation is done. Okay, let's hear it.
Close on fence, the memories come. Another that will change going on. Had to spin the face, the things you're not. Our phones on high enough today.
Yeah, it sounds good actually.
It sounds better than I expected because I just said the piano notes were not that clear. But if it's pure instrumental, just like beginning, there was only piano sound. Later, more elements like strings, like vocal were added. I could tell, yeah, it's very clean.
I feel the same.
It's even better than a lot of the sounds produced by MIDI, like the robotic kind of.
Yeah, yeah.
The last question is, what other AI music tools have you tried out? What are some other plugins?
So there's one isotope called Ozone. Let's say we have different tracks. We have one track of piano, guitar, bass, drum, and then when I play all of them together as a project, and it will analyze the different tracks, provide a balance for different tracks. We did this function around like at least 5 years already.
And I remember you also mentioned this. Like, I actually tried it. Lalo AI. It's able to separate the instrumental from vocal, right?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Pure instrumental and then pure vocal.
Part of myself every
How useful is this to your daily work?
If I really want to listen to some songs and I want to learn from them, I want to just hear their music without the vocal part. It will be very clear for me to know, oh, this specific instrument right like this way.
Yeah, I could imagine because I like singing and sometimes I just want my own voice going along with the instrumental and just do it for fun. Okay,
Yeah, definitely.
see myself using it. Oh wow, that's really cool. Yeah, and thank you so much for sharing all of these. Yeah, so
Okay.
thank you all for watching.